So first we had to cut out 12 inches wide and 4 foot long of 1/8 veneer of Baltic birch to make the board steady. We needed to cut off 4 pieces. This is what the pieces looked like after. Before we continued, we had to cut the pieces out for the press so the longboard had shape. Then we had to drill the pieces together that we cut out. This is what the press looked like after. Then we traced a longboard onto a piece of paper and then used the outline of that onto a piece of wood to make our longboard. To make a nice neat drawing on the piece of wood, we had to sand it first. We chose the nicest sheet of wood to use to trace our longboard. Then we glued the 4 pieces of wood together and put it on the press. Then we put the car tire onto the longboard so that it would create a bend in the shape.
To make sure the longboard kept its shape, we put it under the tire for 24 hours.
Then we spray painted the board and cut it out of the original sheet of wood.
Next, we had to drill holes for the trucks to be able to get into the board. Next, we put on the trucks. We started by just using our hands to get a good grip so we could use the tools after. Now we moved on to the tools. It took all about 20 minutes to get the trucks onto the board. This is what our final product looked like. And this was from the side of our longboard.